Hey guys, Eric Sargent, General Manager, Ed Martin, Toyota, Noblesville, Indiana. And if you are in the market for a pre-owned Land Cruiser, I wanted to kind of show you a couple subtle enhancements that Toyota made for us on the 2018 model year. We have a couple, three things I wanted to kind of mention today. One, of course, you have a power hatchback. And all you have to do is basically you can control it from the key. You can press and hold the button that says hold, opens up the back tailgate. Also, you can control it from a button on the inside to the right of the steering wheel. Of course, we have a close button right here, and then also there's an open button, which is the waterproof button that's right here next to your license plate lights. So, kind of demonstrate the second option, and that is there's a soft close tailgate. So just press the button and it'll kind of follow slowly. And then also, they have this cool little thing where there's a servo so that if you don't accidentally shut your tailgate properly, then the servo will grab it, pull it nice and tight, and you are good to go. So we'll go ahead and shut the power tailgate. And then I will also show you real quick to the right of the steering wheel. We have the button. So if you have grocery delivery or whatever, somebody's approaching the vehicle and you want to open the back hatch for them, just press that button right there and it'll open. And then lastly, if you don't like that feature at all, you can just turn it off. Thanks for watching. Eric at Ed Martin, Toyota, Noblesville, Indiana. If you have any 200 series Land Cruiser questions, please feel free to give me a call anytime, 317-385-9572.